Instagram * is one of the world's most popular social media platforms for sharing photos, videos, and visual content. Since its launch in **** 2010 ****, Instagram has grown into a global platform used by individuals, businesses, creators, educators, and organizations to communicate, build communities, and share ideas. Today, millions of users access Instagram daily to discover content, connect with others, and follow topics that interest them. Creating an Instagram account begins with setting up a profile. A profile usually includes a username, profile photo, biography, and optional contact information. Users can choose between a personal account, a creator account, or a business account, depending on their goals. Business and creator accounts often include additional analytics and professional tools. Instagram is designed around visual communication. Users can publish * photos *, videos *, stories *, reels *, and * live broadcasts. Each content format serves a different purpose. Photos are commonly used for permanent posts, stories are temporary updates that generally disappear after 24 hours, reels focus on short-form videos, and live broadcasts allow real-time interaction with followers. The * Instagram feed * displays posts from accounts that users follow, along with content recommended by Instagram's systems. Recommendations may be influenced by factors such as user interests, interactions, viewing history, and engagement patterns. These recommendations may change as the platform updates its technology. One of Instagram's strongest features is * Reels *, which allow creators to produce short, engaging videos covering education, entertainment, travel, technology, health, business, cooking, fashion, sports, and many other topics. Reels have become an important way for creators and businesses to reach new audiences. Instagram also includes an * Explore * section where users can discover content outside the accounts they already follow. The Explore page helps users find creators, businesses, and communities related to their interests, making it an important discovery tool for both viewers and content creators. Businesses use Instagram to build brand awareness, showcase products, provide customer support, and communicate directly with their audience. Many organizations share educational posts, product demonstrations, behind-the-scenes content, customer testimonials, and company updates to strengthen their online presence. High-quality content is essential for success on Instagram. Clear images, informative captions, consistent branding, and valuable information generally help increase audience engagement. Rather than posting frequently without purpose, many successful creators focus on creating useful and visually appealing content that provides value to viewers. Instagram also offers private messaging through * direct messages, DMs, ***, allowing users to communicate individually or in groups. Users can share text messages, photos, videos, voice messages, and other supported content while maintaining private conversations. Privacy and account security are important considerations. Instagram provides settings that allow users to control who can view their profile, comment on posts, send messages, or tag them in content. Features such as * multi-factor authentication, MFA, ***, login alerts, and account activity monitoring help improve account security. Like any online platform, users should think carefully before sharing personal information. Creating strong passwords, avoiding suspicious links, verifying unexpected messages, and reviewing privacy settings regularly all contribute to a safer online experience. Instagram continues to play a major role in digital communication, marketing, education, and content creation. Understanding its features helps users make the most of the platform while protecting their privacy and maintaining responsible online behavior. In Part 2 we will discuss Instagram marketing, advertising, algorithms, analytics, monetization, account security, common mistakes, and best practices for long-term growth. Educational disclaimer. This video is intended for educational purposes only. Instagram's features, algorithms, monetization programs, privacy settings, and policies may change over time. Always review Instagram's official guidelines.
Instagram has become much more than a photo-sharing platform. Today, it is widely used for digital marketing, personal branding, business promotion, education, and content creation. Millions of businesses, creators, and organizations use Instagram to reach audiences, build communities, and strengthen their online presence. Understanding how the platform works helps users grow responsibly while following its policies. One of the most valuable tools for businesses is the Instagram business account. Business accounts provide access to professional features such as contact buttons, audience insights, advertising tools, and performance analytics. These features help businesses better understand their audience and improve their content strategy over time. Content quality remains one of the most important factors for long-term success. Educational posts, informative carousels, high-quality photographs, engaging reels, behind-the-scenes videos, tutorials, customer success stories, and industry updates often attract meaningful engagement. Rather than posting only promotional content, successful creators focus on providing value that encourages viewers to return. Instagram also uses recommendation systems that help determine which content appears in users' feeds, reels, stories, and explore pages. While the exact algorithms are not publicly disclosed and continue to evolve, factors such as audience engagement, content relevance, user interests, and viewing behavior may influence content visibility. Because these systems change over time, creators should focus on producing authentic, useful, and high-quality content instead of trying to exploit algorithm changes. Instagram Insights provides valuable analytics for professional accounts. Metrics such as reach, impressions, engagement, profile visits, follower growth, watch time, and audience demographics help creators evaluate content performance. Reviewing these insights regularly allows users to understand what resonates with their audience and refine future content. Many creators also explore monetization opportunities. Depending on eligibility requirements, regional availability, and Instagram's policies, creators may earn income through brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, product sales, digital services, subscriptions, or other business activities. Any sponsored content should be disclosed appropriately and comply with advertising regulations and platform guidelines. Security should always remain a priority. Users should enable multi-factor authentication, MFA, create strong and unique passwords, review login activity regularly, and keep recovery information updated. If suspicious account activity is detected, immediate action such as changing the password and contacting official support can help reduce security risks. Online scams continue to affect many social media users. Fraudsters may create fake brand accounts, phishing websites, or impersonate customer support representatives to steal login credentials. Users should verify messages carefully, avoid clicking suspicious links, and never share passwords, authentication codes, or recovery information with anyone. Another important responsibility is respecting copyright and community guidelines. Using original content or obtaining permission before using someone else's creative work helps avoid copyright disputes. Following Instagram's community guidelines also contributes to a safer and more respectful online environment. Growing on Instagram usually requires patience and consistency rather than shortcuts. Authentic engagement, accurate information, Regular posting, meaningful interaction with followers, and continuous learning are generally more effective than attempting to gain rapid growth through misleading practices. Instagram continues to introduce new features, creative tools, shopping options, messaging capabilities, and business services. Staying informed about platform updates allows users to adapt their strategies while maintaining compliance with official policies. Thank you for watching this educational series on Instagram. We explored Instagram's features, marketing tools, recommendation systems, analytics, monetization opportunities, account security, copyright responsibilities, and best practices for sustainable growth. We hope this information helps you use Instagram more effectively, safely, and responsibly. Educational disclaimer. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered legal, financial, marketing, or professional advice. Instagram's algorithms, monetization programs, advertising features, and platform policies may change over time. Always review Instagram's official guidelines